Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a compatible Windows version. This avoids permission roadblocks. Once done, choose whether you need Command Prompt or PowerShell. Command Prompt is simple, PowerShell is more powerful. Now open the Start menu search or press Win+R. Typing CMD opens a basic prompt, while PowerShell opens PowerShell. Make sure to right-click and choose Run as Administrator when elevated privileges are required. Because many system commands need higher, you'll now launch and configure the prompt for efficient use. First, right-click the app and select Run as Administrator when needed. This grants the necessary rights. Next, change to the folder you'll work in using CD and confirm with dir or ls. Updating path lets you run tools globally. Then tweak the window. Right-click the title bar, choose Properties, and set font, colors, and buffer size so long outputs don't truncate. These adjustments speed workflow and reduce repetitive typing. You finish by running the commands you need, starting small. Dir to view files, ipconfig for network info, ping to test connectivity. If a command is unfamiliar, type name / or use get help in PowerShell to learn options and examples. This teaches you why flags matter. If something fails, verify you ran as administrator and that the executable is in path. Correcting path or elevating privileges usually resolves errors. Finally, close the window or type exit to end the session cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.